Hey class, welcome back to Medical Terminology 2. Today we're going to review how to complete and submit your Week 6 graded assignment. Your assignment for this week is the Chapter 14 Check Yourself. To open the assignment, you're going to click on the green puzzle piece next to Week 6 graded assignment, Chapter 14 Check Yourself. This is going to open your assignment in your Cengage ebook. The assignment is either going to open automatically into another tab, or in this Cengage box here, there will be a blue hyperlink to click on to open the assignment. Once the assignment is loaded, we want to make sure that we are completing the correct chapter. We know that this week we're working on Chapter 14. So once you're ready to get started, click on the blue Start Assignment Now button. In this assignment, you have 10 multiple choice questions. Within each question, you have the opportunity to check your work before moving on to the next question. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to click on option D here. Go over here to check my work. It's going to pop up and tell me whether or not my answer is correct or incorrect. You can then select another option, then move on to the next question. The goal of this assignment is to have a green check mark next to numbers 1 through 10. Once you're finished with this assignment, you're going to click on the blue Submit Assignment for Grading button. The black box is going to pop up and ask you whether or not you're ready to submit and exit this assignment. Click on the blue Submit for Grading button. The page will load and tell you what you scored on this assignment. If you would like to try again for a higher score, you have the chance to do so 2 more times. Just click on the blue Take This Again button to start the assignment over. If you have any questions about this assignment, reach out to your instructor or your academic coach. Good luck!